In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Beehiiv newsletter templates. First, open your Beehiiv dashboard by going to the main app page and logging into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Start Writing. This is usually near the top or in a prominent spot. Click that to begin creating a new post, which is where you'll design your template. You'll then see Beehiiv's template library. Here, choose one of the existing newsletter templates you want to work from. It can be a simple layout or something more visual, but pick the one that's closest to the style you want. This saves you time compared to starting from scratch. Once the template opens, click directly on any text area to edit it. Replace the placeholder copy with your own content, such as your welcome message, main article text, or recurring sections. Think about what will stay consistent every week, like a signature, intro, or links, and build those into your template. Next to each section, you'll see a plus icon. Click this to add elements like bulleted lists, columns, buttons, tables, images, or new sections. This is how you structure your newsletter and make it more engaging and scannable. Take a moment to experiment with different elements so the layout matches how you typically communicate. Now, move over to the Design controls by clicking on Style. Inside the Basic tab, you'll see several drop-downs. Open the Colors drop-down to adjust things like the outside background, the post background, text colors, primary and secondary brand colors, and link colors. Try to match your brand palette and keep contrast high so everything is easy to read. Open the Typography drop-down to customize your headings and paragraph text. Here you can set the font family and font weight for both. Aim for a clear, readable font for body text and a stronger, more distinctive style for headings. Next, open the Spacing drop-down. This is where you adjust margins and padding so your content has enough breathing room. A bit more space between sections often makes the newsletter feel more professional and less cramped. Use the Borders drop-down to control border thickness and corner radius. This can give your sections, cards, or images a more defined or softer look, depending on your preference. Then switch to the Advanced tab. You'll land on the Background Editing section where you can fine-tune background color, padding, radius, margins, borders, and related colors for specific content blocks. This is helpful if you want certain parts, like feature sections or promos, to stand out. From here, you can jump into specific areas. Click on Email Header to customize the top of your email, such as your logo area, title styling, or background color. Then click on Body to refine the main content area styling so everything inside feels consistent. Open the Widgets section to individually edit any widgets you use, like recommendation blocks, social links, or referral elements. Adjust their colors and spacing so they match the rest of your design. Finally, click on Email Footer to edit the footer's colors, text, and elements, such as unsubscribe text or social icons. When you're happy with everything, look at the top center of the page for the row of icons and click the Save icon. A field will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a clear name so you can recognize it later, then click Save Template. From now on, whenever you start writing a new newsletter, you'll find this design under My Templates, ready to reuse and customize